So we're given term 1 to 4. Okay, term 1 is going to be 6. So what we can do is have 6 circles like so. Okay, and the term value, right, is going to be 6. For figure 2, all we have to do is take this, and we're going to take this, copy it. If we have 2 of these in a row, we can have 12. Okay, so let me draw these lines now, right? So then we know that for 3, right, it's going to be 18. 18, if I just copy this, right, and we add it 3 times to the bottom, we can get 18. And then we draw a line, and we know the 4th term, which is 24. So then let's take this, actually, copy that, and we put 2 of these, we get our 24. Okay, so now we want to figure out the next 3 terms. Right, so 4, we want to find term 5, right? Let me put this down a little. We want to find term 6 and then 7. So what we're doing here is just adding 6 each time, right? We're always adding a row of 6 circles. So here, from 24 adding 6, we can get 30. Then we can get 36. And then adding 6 to this, we get 42. For the diagram, what I can do, right, is taking this, or let's take this. Right, so this is adding 4 rows of 6, but we're at term 5, so we have to add another row of 6. So we're going to add another row of 6 like so. Okay, so for this one, so let me draw a line here, right? What we have to do is add 6 rows together. So here, if I take the 5 from the before, let's shrink it a little bit, and then we add 1 more row, we can get our diagram that we want. Something like this. Okay, so now for the 7, right? Again, we're going to draw a line. Whoops, let's bring this down a little bit. There we go. And for our last value here, all we have to do is then add 1 more row. And we're adding 1 more row to the previous picture here. Okay, if I do that, I have 7 rows of 6, and we end up with 42.